Hello nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Happy Valentine's Day to all of us. So now, I'm just make a short message to all those people that you are still helping in my YouTube channel, and the all subscriber, the all from 1 until 100 until more than now, that what I have in my channel, the God's Eltorelia, about of my subscriber. Thank you very much, and to all of you, happy Valentine's Day. When you are not subscriber in my channel, and kindly I'm asking only kindly support in my beginning channel, that what I have. Happy Valentine's Day, and to all viewers also that what I have, thank you, and happy Valentine's Day. And some viewers also that I have, I wish that you are still and thinking to support. It's like that one, but to support in my YouTube channel, okay? And to all supporters that even I have only 1, 2, 3, or 5 or more than in my live stream, that you are still likes and support and watching in my live and all in my videos that I have. Thank you very much talaga. And to all of you, happy and happy Valentine's Day. Including na yan to all my families, to my mga madam and sir and sisi. And me, I'm just personally kasi to say happy Valentine's Day, because right, happy Valentine's Day, it means of love to all of us, to every one of us. But sometimes kasi it's just we say good morning like that one, and we just it's like a it's like a conversation na lang what we are doing to say happy Valentine's Day, okay? Even to my own families, even sometimes sending, sometimes no. So it's our effort to say to all of us, and to say happy Valentine's to all of us. Kaya nationwide, worldwide na lang yung happy Valentine's Day to us. Okay, so thank you very much, and to all the some blogger that you are still helping to me until now, that you are still supported in my channel. Happy Valentine's Day to all of us, and we are still greetings or whatever we do, because it's Friday. Some of them is school, some of them also is vacation, some of them is no school, no work, holiday like this one. Whatever you do, so take care, and God bless us all. Okay, to my own families, both side of my mother and side, you know na I'm always including that one, and I wish that you are still supported also in my channel, in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much in my hometown. Thank you very much. And bye. God bless us all.